Hello, today we will guide you through how to add ScreenTips Tooltips to hyperlinks in PowerPoint. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to add a small, helpful message called a ScreenTip to a hyperlink in your presentation. ScreenTips are useful because they give viewers extra context when they hover over a linked word or phrase. This can make your slides feel more polished and easier to navigate, especially if you're sharing the presentation with others. To begin, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to add the hyperlink ScreenTip. Make sure the text you want to work with is already on the slide and easy to identify. Next, highlight the sample word or phrase that you want to turn into a hyperlink with a ScreenTip. Be sure to select only the exact text you want your audience to interact with, since the tip will be attached to that selected hyperlink. Once the text is highlighted, right-click on it to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick access to several formatting and linking options. From here, look for the link option and click on it. This opens the hyperlink settings window, where you can manage both the destination of the link and the hover text that appears with it. In the hyperlink window, move your attention to the top right and click on ScreenTip. This is the setting that controls the small tooltip people will see when they place their pointer over the hyperlink during the presentation. It's a simple feature, but it can add a lot of clarity, especially if the link destination isn't obvious from the text alone. A small box will appear where you can enter your sample text. Type the message you want viewers to see. Keep this text short and helpful so it's easy to read quickly. For example, a brief description of where the link goes or what it does is often the most effective approach. After entering the text, click OK to confirm. At this point, your ScreenTip is attached to the hyperlink. If needed, you can also confirm the settings by closing the hyperlink window after saving your changes. A good final tip is to test the link in presentation mode to make sure the ScreenTip appears the way you expect and that the text is clear and useful, and that's it. You've successfully added a ScreenTip or tooltip to a hyperlink in PowerPoint, helping make your presentation more informative and user-friendly.